Right now, regular people are turning 10-minute voice notes into real digital income. And the best part is that you don't need followers or a fancy software. You just need to start. And before you give me that side eyes, I get it. There's a lot of scammy stuff floating around the internet, and digital products can sound like some overwhelming tech thing. But what I'm sharing is real, safe, and 100% doable, even if you've never sold anything online before. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 4 of the easiest digital products that you can create. I'll show you what they are, how you can build them from your phone, and how they can make you money while you sleep. So if this helps even a little, go ahead, tap the like button because it helps the channel to grow, and honestly, it might just help someone out there who is scared to start find the courage to take the first step. Let's jump right in. So we're going to start with a mini exercise. Grab your phone right now, go to the voice record app. If you don't have it, go to your app store or your Google Play Store and download voice recorder. Once you have it open, hit record, talk for 5 to 10 minutes about something you already know. It could be a story, a lesson, or a reflection. And that is it. That right there is your first digital product. Now, this type of digital product is called Voice Note Vault. It is a private audio journal people subscribe to. You record a short voice note, 3 to 10 minutes long, and upload them on platforms like Substack, Patreon, or Gumroad. And people pay a few dollars a month just to hear your stories, your mindset, your lessons. In fact, one of my friends, a single mom entrepreneur, started a morning motivation series, just her coffee talks, and 2 months later she had 200 subscribers at a $5 a month subscription, and that is $1,000 from thoughts she was already sharing. Nowadays, people don't crave perfection anymore. They crave connection. They are not buying production. They're just buying your presence. And so tonight or today, depending on where you're at right now, just go ahead, open your phone, record a 5-minute voice note, talk about one lesson you've learned this year, upload it on Substack, call it a day, because that is what it is. The first day your thought starts working for you. And if you love visual more than talking over the phone, then this next one will surely get your attention. Now, you might be that person who loves checklists, planners, or you have some form of structure. Then this printable live kit is definitely something that you'll love. When it comes to creating templates, it's really easy because platforms like Canva, they already have ready-to-made planners. They already have the templates already set, and all you need to do is give it that personal touch. A few edits here and there, it gets you to where you want that template to sit. If you're not subscribed to Canva, you can also use your Google Docs and sell them as instant download on Etsy, Standstore, Gumroad, or Payhip. And guess what? Once people buy, they print and you get paid. The best part is that you don't have to stress over shipping or inventory because it's a digital downloadable product, which means no stress. In fact, Sarah, who happens to be one of my students, she made a weekly reset kit which has a weekly planner, a checklist, and a meal prep guide. And guess what? She listed it for $9 on Standstore. Her first month she made $180. Now she has introduced more digital products and she comfortably makes over $1,000 a month. It is simple, and that is where the money lies, because tell me, who wouldn't want their life to be easier? That is what digital products are meant for, to bring structure, to bring ease to the life of people. So I want you right now to pick one thing that you organize well, turn it into a printable checklist tonight, and upload it. And if you feel creating a template might be a little bit techy for you, you rather make use of your voice, then number 3 is definitely something you may want to try out. Nowadays, when you look around the world, it feels really loud, and that's because everyone is stressed. Sometimes people don't want advice, they just want a calm voice just to help them breathe and help them feel seen. And honestly, that is what guided moments are. I'm talking about 2 to 5 minute audios for calm, focus, and reset. And no, I am not referring to meditation. I'm just talking about quick mental breaks just to help someone stay calm under pressure. All you need to do is record them once, upload them on Gumroad or Ko-Fi, and package them as the Calm Kit. In fact, recently, a therapist friend of mine did the exact thing. She packaged 2 products. One of them was called the 3-minute reset for overthinkers, and the second one was called Before the Meeting Confidence Boost. The truth is, when you're going in for a meeting, some people get a bit fidgety, some people develop cold feet, and that is where that product comes in. When you listen to it 2 to 3 minutes, it helps boost your confidence. You go into the meeting with that boost of confidence and you're able to deliver. That right there has met its purpose. When she shared the idea with me, brilliant idea. She uploaded the product and priced it for $19, and guess what? She made close to $500 in just that first weekend. The truth is, some of you already have the digital product lane fallow. I'm talking about your voice. People are not out there paying for perfection, they're paying for peace. And if this speaks to you, go ahead, record 1 track tonight, upload it on your favorite storefront. It could be Standstore, it could be Gumroad, it could be Etsy, and you can call it the morning reset or confidence boost. Something that is motivational, that speaks to the very core of that need, and watch how that product flourish. Now, if you love to teach, the next one is for you. I want you to think about it as a micro course. When people hear the word course, often think you need to sit in front of a camera, hit record, because this is not the case. Do you know that you can create a short workbook, 3 to 5 pages with prompts or steps, and also record a matching voice note? And then you go ahead to bundle them for a low price, maybe $7 or $19 or $27. I call this type of product coaching in a box because you will be amazed how this simple digital product can solve a huge problem. And all you need to do basically is go on to Canva, a fantastic feature where you can create your template and you can also lay over a voice note. Popular editing apps like CapCut can also assist with voiceovers where you upload the template and then you can do a voiceover. Once you're done downloading the product, you can upload it to your favorite storefront, create an article around it, make a content around it, ensure that you have it placed in a place where people can easily reach out for it. That is platforms like Gumroad, Standstore, Etsy, or even a writing platform like Medium or Substack. And then watch how that simple little digital product flourishes. All right. Now it's your turn. You've seen how simple digital products can be. These digital products are not saturated, they don't require complicated tech startup. Plus, every platform I mentioned today, they are absolutely free to join. You can sign up right now, upload your first product, start engaging with your community, and even turn on subscription. And when people subscribe to your page, you can start earning from your voice, your ideas, or even your story. And if you start with a free community, share what you know, add the digital product when it feels right. And who knows, you might be one voice note away from your next 100 or even next $1,000. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas I shared today are you actually going to try first, and which one caught you by surprise? Drop it in the comments below and I will be replying personally with tips to help you get started. And if you haven't already subscribed, why not tap the subscribe button? Because every week we talk about safe, smart, and sustainable way to build an online income without overwhelm. And in this space, we grow wiser and healthier together. And until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.